Welcome. In front of me is the glorious Model D, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the mouse itself and its feature set. So now this one will be a black version of it, weighs 68 grams, and let's just get straight to the back where we have some information. So we have the sensor, PixArt PMW3360. We have switch types being OMRON, rated for 20 million clicks, damn. 6 programmable buttons, though it doesn't say programmable, but I presume they are. And let's see, anything else worth mentioning? We have LED here, that's fine. The reason I'm pointing that out is because, for instance, wireless ones like this one with rated, for instance, this one being a 71-hour battery long lasting mouse, obviously that is without the LED, so keep that in mind. And where's the DPI? Am I like tripping? Okay, I guess we don't have DPI rating here. Okay. Well, if Glorious wasn't bothered putting that information on, that's kind of odd. If you're gonna make a gaming product and not give me gaming specifications right here, it's a little bit of an L. But anyway, let's just see what we're dealing with. And we're dealing with a wired mouse, and I do have to give them props. They surely don't give a shit about the environment here, because they're just willy-nilly putting this garbage plastic everywhere. You know what? I can respect it. I prefer a company just being like, yeah, we don't give a two fucks about it. And here it is. You should be happy that you have a mouse and a cable for it. So yeah, honestly, I don't mind it. I would mind more if they would be going out of their way saying that, oh, we give so much care about the environment that we put plastic here. Yeah, that's where I start having problems. So honesty is a little bit better. Now, actually, if I throw that out, we do have some Teflon feet right here for replacement, 3M tape, just whatever the hell that's supposed to be. There we go. So, quick start guide, cool, no one cares, and our sticker, and that's it. And the mouse itself, as you can see, it is a wired mouse, has very similar design to the Model O or Zero, and also some RGB happening right here on the sides. It's also perforated like this with the honeycomb pattern, though this one also has it on the mouse clicks or mouse buttons. And size-wise, it's a little bit more ergonomic if you care about that. So you can see this one is a bit more flat and just kind of symmetrical. You could make this right or left-handed and you wouldn't really be able to tell the difference because it's straight up the same. While this one, you can see it is angled. So it has this more ergonomic feel to it where your hand is a little bit more lifted at an angle. So this could be better for you in general. Now, obviously it has a cable, so I'm not sure if you like that in 2025. But the cable right here, one thing that I want to point out about it, it's kind of nice. It's very soft, pliable cable, as you can see. So there's no problem with it. Like, you can just position it whatever way you want, and it just, there's no problem. It's not like a stiff, annoying cable where it just constantly, bends back to the shape that it was tied in, like this one. So makes it much easier to manage. But obviously it is not detachable, it's part of the mouse, and it is a wired one, which one thing that I want to point out, for mouse that weighs 68 grams, the 69 gram version, the Model O, right here, is fully contained. Like, it's wireless, has battery in here and all that jazz, along with even RGB here as well. So it's kind of odd that, there's a cable and more perforations and yet they managed to cut the weight of it by single gram. If even so, considering it's has a little bit of a give right here, so about 2 grams. It could be plus minus, and I'm pretty sure same thing goes right here. So you know, they could be, for all I know, the same weight or close enough, and I wouldn't be able to tell the difference really. They're about the same to feel. Now obviously something tells me that the cable is counted into that weight, so with the cable, you know, USB plug and whatever, that probably make more sense that it's about the same weight. Wait, just kind of, honestly, even if I don't lift the cable, it feels about the same. So yeah, even if I don't include the cable, it feels about the same. So honestly, if you have the option to, considering, you know, it's going to be more expensive, I'd probably recommend going for the wireless one. It's going to be just much nicer, not having to deal with any kind of cable, than have one that is wired. And the wireless mice, if you're wondering about like latency and all that stuff, they're so minuscule that you won't be able to tell the difference between wired or wireless mouse really. As long as you have a good connection, good line of sight to the come on, oh for God's sakes, there we go, to the dongle like this one, you should be just completely fine. There's gonna be like no difference between them. The only one, well, be the cable. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.